With me, I have the Redmi 14C, and in this video, I'll show you how to capture a screenshot using your gestures. So with the Redmi 14C, you can actually capture screenshots using gesture, and the only gesture that you can use to capture a screenshot is by simply sliding down 3 fingers on any part of the screen, and that will capture a screenshot. So if you like, you can simply swipe down with 3 fingers and you can see a screenshot has been captured. But before you can use this feature, you have to enable it on your settings, on this device settings. So all you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select additional settings. Tap on that, and then find the gestures shortcuts and select it. And then you should see the option take a screenshot. So tap on it, and then ensure that this option slide 3 fingers is enabled. So if it's disabled, so whenever you slide down with 3 fingers, you can no longer take a screenshot. But if it's enabled, you can simply slide down with 3 fingers, and there you go. You can see you have captured a screenshot. So that's basically it on how to capture a screenshot using gestures on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.